problem. The 15th problem is cot 4x multiplied by sin 5x plus sin 3x is equal to cot x multiplied by sin 5x minus sin 3x. Okay, so here we had to prove that. Okay, every question here was to prove that. Okay, so we have to prove that this left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Okay, so let us see how to solve. So 15th, you have cot 4x multiplied by sin 5x plus sin 3x. Okay, this is the left hand side, right? We have to take the left hand side here, okay, of the question 15. So this is equal to what? So this is cot 4x multiplied by, now sin A plus sin B formula is what? It is nothing but 2 sin A plus B divided by 2 cos A minus B divided by 2, right? This is the formula. So this formula we have to use it here. So we will get 2 sin A plus B, so 5x plus 3x divided by 2 cos, okay, 5x minus 3x divided by 2, right? So what we will get? Cot 4x multiplied by 2 sin 8x divided by 2 cos 2x divided by 2, right? So that is equal to what? Cot 4x multiplied by 2 sin 4x multiplied by cos x, right? Now we can write this cot 4x as what? Cos 4x divided by sin 4x, okay, which is equal multiplied by 2 times sin 4x cos x, right? So sin 4x gets cancelled and you will get 2 times cos 4x cos x, right? So this is what you are getting. Now if we look at the right hand side, that is what? Cot 4x multiplied by sin 5x plus sin 3x, okay. So that is equal to what? That is equal to cot 4x multiplied by sin 5x plus sin 3x is this, we have already solved, okay, 2 sin 4x cos x, right? So now if we write cot 4x as what? Cos 4x, right, multiplied by sin 4x, okay, then you have this multiplied by 2 times sin 4x cos x, right? So sin 4x will get cancelled and what you will get is cos 4x multiplied by cos x and 2 times, right? So this and this are same, you can see, therefore LHS is equal to the RHS, right? So that was the 15th problem. Now let us look at the 16th problem. So 16th problem is cos 9x minus cos 5x divided by sin 17x minus sin 3x is equal to sin 2x multiplied by cos 10x, okay, minus here. So minus sin 2x divided by cos 10x. So this we have to prove. So let us start with the LHS. So that is cos 9x minus cos 5x divided by sin 17x minus sin 3x, okay. So what is the formula for cos A minus cos B? It is nothing but minus 2 times sin A plus B divided by 2 sin A minus B divided by 2, right? So what you will get? Minus 2 times sin, okay, 9x plus 5x divided by 2, then sin 9x minus 5x divided by 2, right? This is what you will get, okay. Now divided by, this is what we have to know, what is sin A minus sin B, right? So sin A minus sin B is 2 times cos A plus B divided by 2 times sin A minus B divided by 2, right? So that is, we have to substitute this. 2 cos A is 7x plus B is 3x, okay, divided by 2, then sine of 7x minus 3x divided by 2, right? So which is equal to minus 2 sine 14x divided by 2 sine 4x divided by 2, right? So the whole divided by 2 times cos of 10x divided by 2, okay, sine 4x divided by 2, right? So what happens here? 2 and 2 will get cancelled, okay, and you will get minus sine of, this is 7x, right? 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14, then sine of 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, so 2x divided by cos of 5x here, okay, multiplied by sine of 2x, right? So sine of 2x will get cancelled, and what you will get? You will get minus of sine 7x divided by sine 5x, okay. So that is not what we want, okay. Oh, this is 17, right? I took 7, okay, 17 this is. So 17 plus 3x is what? 20x, right? And 17x minus 3x is what? It is 14x, right? Like this we will get, okay. Then here I have written 9 plus 5 14, okay, this is correct. This is 7x. So now if you look at this step, okay, if you look at this step, it is minus of sine of 7x sine of 2x, right, divided by cos of 2 ones are 2, 2 tens are 20, so cos of 10x, right, and sine 7x, okay. So sine 7x will get cancelled, and what you will get is minus of sine 2x divided by cos 10x, right? So which is nothing but the RHS, okay. So therefore LHS is equal to the RHS, hence proved, right? So that was the 16th problem. Now let us go to the 17th problem, okay. So the 17th problem is sine of 5x plus sine of 3x divided by cos of 5x, right, okay, cos of 5x plus cos of 3x is equal to tan of 4x, okay. So LHS, if you consider, that is sine of 5x plus sine of 3x divided by cos of 5x plus cos of 3x, right? So now this formula you have to use it here, sine A plus sine B, that is 2 sine A plus B divided by 2 cos A minus B divided by 2, the whole divided by 2 times. Here also you have to use the formula cos A plus cos B, so that is 2 cos A plus B divided by 2 cos A minus B divided by 2, so which is nothing but 2 times sine 8x divided by 2, right, cos 2x divided by 2, the whole divided by 2 times cos of 8x divided by 2 cos of 2x divided by 2, okay. So what happens here? 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, this gets cancelled, 2 and 2 gets cancelled, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, and here also 2 and 2 gets cancelled, so you'll get 2 times sine of 4x cos of x divided by 2 times cos of 4x multiplied by cos x, okay. So cos x will get cancelled, 2 and 2 will get cancelled, what will remain is sine 4x divided by cos 4x, okay, and which is nothing but tan of 4x, right, and which is equal to the RHS. So therefore LHS is equal to the RHS, right, hence proved, okay. Now if we look at the 18th problem, the 18th problem is sin x minus sin y divided by cos x plus cos y. Okay, that is equal to tan of x minus y divided by 2, right? So if we start with the LHS, it is sin x plus sin x minus sin y divided by cos x plus cos y, so which is equal to 2 times, here you have to use the formula sin a minus sin b, that is 2 times cos a plus b divided by 2 sin a minus b divided by 2, right? So the whole divided by 2 times cos of a plus b divided by 2 cos of a minus b divided by 2, right? 2 and 2 gets cancelled, cos x plus y by 2, cos x plus y by 2 gets cancelled. Okay, so you will get sin of x minus y divided by 2 divided by cos of x minus y divided by 2. So that is nothing but what? Sin theta divided by cos theta, that is tan theta. Okay, so tan x plus x minus y. So this is the RHS, right? So therefore LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Okay, so that is the 18th problem. Now let us go to the 19th one. Okay, oh, here only you have to know the formulae thoroughly. Okay, if you know the formulae, then the problems are easy. Okay, so 19th, let us see, sin x plus sin 3x divided by cos x plus cos 3x equal to tan 2x. This we have to prove. So if you start with the LHS, what you will get? Sin x plus sin 3x, right, divided by cos x plus cos 3x. So this is equal to what? Sin a plus sin b formula you have to use. So that is 2 sin a plus b divided by 2 cos a minus b divided by 2. Okay, the whole divided by, here you have to use the formula cos a plus cos b. So that is nothing but 2 times cos of a plus b divided by 2 cos of a minus b divided by 2. So this is equal to 2 times sin of 4x divided by 2 multiplied by cos of minus 2x divided by 2. The whole divided by 2 times cos of 4x divided by 2 cos of minus 2x divided by 2. Okay, so which is equal to what? 2 times sin of 2x, right? 2 ones are 1, sorry, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, right? They get cancelled. So you will get cos of minus x. Now the whole divided by 2 cos 2x, cos, this 2 and 2 gets cancelled, you will get cos of minus x. So cos of minus x, cos of minus x will get cancelled. Okay, and 2 and 2 will get cancelled. You will get what? Sin 2x divided by cos 2x. So which is nothing but tan 2x. Okay, and which is the RHS. So therefore LHS is equal to the RHS, right? So hence proved. Okay, now 20th, let us see how to do. So the 20th is sin x minus sin 3x the whole divided by sin square x minus cos square x, okay, equal to 2 sin x, right? So you start with the LHS, so that is sin x minus sin 3x, okay, divided by sin square x minus cos square x. So here you have to use which formula? Sin a minus sin b, right? Sin a minus sin b. Okay, so let us use that. So that is 2 times cos of x plus y divided by 2, okay, sin of x minus y divided by 2, right? Now the whole divided by, can you see which formula this is or which formula you have to use here? Okay, okay, what you do is you can take the minus sign common. So what you will get is cos square x minus sin square x, right? Like this. Okay. So now 2 times cos of 4x divided by 2 you will get. Okay. Sine of minus 2x divided by 2 the whole divided by minus of cos square x minus sin square x is what? Cos 2x. Okay. Cos square x minus sin square x is cos 2x. There are many formulae for cos 2x. One of them is this. Okay. Cos square x minus sin square x is cos 2x. So what you will get is 2 times cos of 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So cos 2x. Sine of 2 and 2 gets cancelled here. Sine of minus x will get divided by minus of cos 2x, right? So cos 2x and cos 2x will get cancelled, and what you will get is 2 times sine of minus x divided by minus 1, right? So that will be 2 times. Now you know that sine of minus x is what? Sine of minus x is what? Minus sin x. So minus 2 times sin x will get divided by minus 1. So which is 2 times sin x. Okay. And that is the RHS. So therefore LHS is equal to the RHS, hence proved. Right. Okay. So that is the 20th problem. Now let us go to the 21st. So 21st is cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x, right, divided by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x, okay, equal to what we have is cot 3x on the right hand side. All right. So you start with the LHS, right? You start with the LHS. So cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x the whole divided by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x, right? So now if you use the formula here, okay, if you use the formula cos a plus cos b here, what you are getting is 2 times cos of 4x plus 3x, that is 7x divided by 2, but 7 is not divided by 2, right? 7 divided by 2 will be what? A decimal number, okay, that is 3.5, but we don't have 3.5 here on the right hand side, okay. Also similarly, if you do the same thing here, you are again getting 7x divided by 2, which is 3.5. So we don't want that, right? So which one to take? These two we have to take, right? So what we will do is rearrange this cos 4x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x divided by sin 4x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x, right? So that is equal to what? Now we can use the formula cos a plus cos b, that is 2 times cos of a plus b divided by 2 times cos of 4x minus 2x divided by 2 plus cos 3x, right? The whole divided by 2 times, we have to use the formula sin a plus sin b, that is 2 times sin of 4x plus 2x divided by 2, right, multiplied by cos cos of 4x minus 2x divided by 2 plus cos of 3x, right? So which is equal to what? 2 times cos of 4x plus 2x is 6x divided by 2 cos of 4x minus 2x is 2x divided by 2 plus cos 3x, okay. Now the whole divided by 2 times sin of 6x divided by 2 cos of 2x, right, divided by 2 plus cos 3x, right. So what is this? This is cos of 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 and 2 gets cancelled, okay. So cos 3x cos x plus cos 3x divided by 2 times 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6. So sin 3x cos 2 and 2 gets cancelled x plus cos 3x. Okay. So now what you do is you take cos 3x common, okay, from the numerator, right? From the numerator you can take, oh, this is sin 3x. See, okay, this here was sin 3x. So this is sin, this is sin. Okay, so this is sin here, right? Okay, so now from the numerator what will happen? Cos 3x you can take common, so that is times 2 cos x plus 1 you will get, right? And if you take sin 3x common from the denominator, what you will get? 2 times cos x plus 1 again, right? This is sin 3x, okay, sin 3x this is. So what will happen? Okay, I'll write it properly here, sin 3x. Okay, so what you will get is cos 3x. Okay, this and this will get cancelled, right? 2 cos x plus 1, 2 cos x plus 1 will get cancelled, and what will remain is cos 3x divided by sin 3x. Now which is equal to what? Cot 3x, and which is equal to the RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to the RHS, hence proved. Okay, so that is the 21st. Now let us go to the 22nd. 22nd is cot x multiplied by cot 2x minus cot 2x multiplied by cot 3x minus cot 3x multiplied by cot x equal to 1, right? So you start with the LHS, so that is cot x multiplied by cot 2x minus cot 2x multiplied by cot 3x minus cot 3x multiplied by cot x. Okay, so this is what we have as the LHS. Now one thing you have to note here, okay, the formula for cot a minus b. Okay, before that, see, what you do is you take cot 2x common. What you will get? Cot 2x multiplied by cot x minus cot 3x, right? If you take cot 2x common, okay, minus cot 3x multiplied by cot x. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to substitute for this, okay, using the cot formula. Okay, which one to use, that is the question. Okay, so now here it is minus, so we will take this formula, cot a minus b. So that is equal to what? Cot a, right, minus cot b, the whole divided by what? What is the formula? Cot a minus b is equal to what? See, it is cot a cot b, okay, plus 1 divided by cot b minus cot a. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, so that will be what? See, we want this cot b minus cot a, right? Looking at this, what we want is cot b minus cot a. So what we will do is we will bring this here, okay, and this here. So what we will get is cot b minus cot a is equal to this cot a cot b plus 1 divided by cot a minus b, right? So like this we will get. Okay, so what we are getting is cot b minus cot a is equal to cot a cot b plus 1 divided by cot a minus b. Okay, so what you will get is cot 2x multiplied by cot a, so cot x plus multiplied by cot b, so that is cot 3x plus 1, the whole divided by cot of b. Okay, so b is this, so that is cot of 3x minus, okay, cot of 3x minus what? cot A, okay, minus cot A. So where is A? This is A, right? So cot x here. Okay. Oh, I used this one. I have to use this one. Wait. So see this cot 2x, right? Multiplied by cot B minus cot A is cot A cot B. So cot A here, cot B plus 1, okay, the whole divided by cot A minus B. A was what? A was this, okay. So this is A and this is B here. So what you will get? B, oh no, this is B that we have to consider, right? Because we are looking at this. Have you understood? This is B, okay, and this is A, what we have, okay, right? This is B, x, and this is A, that is 3x. So A minus B means 3x minus x, like this you'll get, okay, 3x minus x will get. Look at the formula properly, okay, cot B minus cot A, right, which is equal to cot A. Multiplication can be anything. So cot A here, that is cot 3x multiplied by cot B plus 1 divided by cot A, that is 3x minus B, that is x, okay, and minus cot 3x cot x, right? This is what you will get, okay. So cot of 2x multiplied by, right, what we are getting, cot x cot 3x, right, plus 1 divided by cot 2x, okay, minus cot 3x cot x, right? Now cot 2x will get cancelled, okay. So what will remain is cot x multiplied by cot 3x plus 1 minus cot 3x multiplied by cot x, okay. So cot x cot 3x gets cancelled, minus cot 3x cot x gets cancelled, and what will remain is 1. So which is nothing but the RHS, okay. So therefore LHS is equal to the RHS, hence proved, okay. Now let us look at the 23rd for problem. 23rd is what? 23rd is tan 4x equal to 4 tan x multiplied by 1 minus tan cube x, the whole divided by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus 10 raised to 4x, okay. So let us start with the LHS. So what it is? Tan 4x, right? So tan 4x we can write it as what? Tan of x plus 3x, right? And so now we have to use this formula, tan a plus b or x plus y is equal to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b, okay. So what we will get is tan x plus tan 3x, okay, tan a tan b divided by 1 minus tan a multiplied by tan b, okay. So now this is what we have. So we have to use again the formula for tan 3a or tan 3x, okay. So which is equal to what? What is tan 3x? It is equal to this 3 tan a, right, minus tan cube a, okay, then the whole divided by 1 minus this 3 tan square a, okay. So this is the formula for tan 3a, okay. So now if we just find out this tan x plus, what is tan 3x? This is tan 3a, right? So 3 tan x minus tan cube x, all right, the whole divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x, right? The whole divided by 1 minus 10x multiplied by 3 10x minus 10 cube x, right? The whole divided by 1 minus 3 10 square x, alright? Okay, so now we have to simplify this. So what we will get is 10x multiplied by 1 minus 3 10 square x, okay, plus 3 10x minus 10 cube x, okay. So the whole divided by this we will also multiply, but before that, this is the numerator of this, okay, this is the numerator of this, and 1 minus 10 1 minus 3 times square x is there, okay. The whole divided by, we'll multiply this to this, so 1 minus 3 times square x, okay, minus 10x multiplied by 3 10x, okay, minus 10 cube x, alright, the whole divided by 1 minus 3 10 square x, okay. So which is equal to what? Just simplify this, just we will simplify. So 10x minus 3 10 cube x plus 3 10x minus 10 cube x, right here, the numerator. Now you can see that 1 minus 3 10 square x and 1 minus 3 10 square x will get cancelled, and you will get the whole divided by this, okay, 1 minus 3 10 square x, okay, minus 3 10 square x, alright, plus 10 raised to 4x, okay. Now that is equal to what? 3 10x plus 10x is 4 10x, right, and minus 3 10 cube x minus 10 cube x is minus 4 10 cube x, okay. The whole divided by this 1 minus 6 10 square x plus 10 raised to 4x, okay. So what we will do here, we will take 10x common, okay, so, and also 4, so 4 10x, if we take common, what we will get? 1 minus 10 square x, okay, the whole divided by 1 minus 6 10 square x plus 10 raised to 4x, okay. Now here I had written it wrong, okay, so this is square which is in the problem, okay, so that is what we are getting here, okay. Now this is equal to the RHS, so therefore LHS is equal to the RHS, hence proved, right. So 23rd problem is done. Now let us go to the 24th. So 24th is what? It is cos 4x, right, which is equal to 1 minus 8 times sin square x cos square x, okay. So now if you look at the LHS, that is cos 4x, right. Now here the important thing is you have to select a correct formula, okay, for cos 4x, right. So there are okay, before that, okay, cos 4x can be written as what? Cos of 2 times 2x, right. This is what you can write, cos of 2 times 2x, and what is this? This is nothing but cos of 2a, where a is what? 2x, okay. This is cos of 2a, where a is 2x. So what is cos of 2a? Now here you have to write a correct formula for cos 2a, okay. There are 4 formulae for cos 2a. You have to select the correct one. That is the main thing, okay. So since you have what? Sin x cos x here, okay, sin x cos x, you know that sin 2x is what? Sin 2x is what? 2 sin a cos a, right. Sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a, okay. So you see that sin and cos are there here, okay. Also when you square, you will get 4, and there is one 2 which is there here, 1 minus 2, right, times this square will give you the answer actually, okay. So which formula to use? You want 1 minus 2 sin square a formula, okay. This formula you have to use here. So what it is, 1 minus 2 times sine, okay, 1 minus 2 times this, right? This formula we have to use. Cos 2a is 1 minus 2 times sine square a. So that is 2x, right? Okay. So that is 1 minus 2 times sine square 2x. How we can write? We can write it as sine 2x the whole square. Okay. Sine 2x the whole square. So that is 1 minus 2 times. Now what is sine 2x? That is this. 2 sine a cos a. So 2 times sine a cos a, right? The whole square. So what we will get is 1 minus 2 times 4 sine square 2x cos square. Oh, this is x. Okay, this was 2, right? So a is x. So this is x, this is x. So this is not there, right? 2 is not there. So what we will get is 1 minus 2 times 4 is 8 sine square x cos square x. Okay, and this is equal to nothing but the RHS, right? Okay, so then what we have got? We have got, therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, hence proved, right? So this is what we have. Okay, now let us go to the last one, that is the 25th problem, and which is nothing but cos 6x equal to 32 cos raised to 6x minus 48 cos, okay, raised to 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1, right? So let us start with the LHS. LHS is what? Cos 6x. So which is equal to, see, we can write this as what? Cos of 3 times 2x, right? 3 2s are 6. So we can write this as 3 multiplied by 2x. Okay. Now we will use the formula for cos of 3a. So what is cos of 3a? Cos of 3a is nothing but 4 times cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Okay, this is the formula. So what you will get? 4 times cos of, or 4 times cos cube of 2x, right? Now the a is what here? 2x. Okay, a is 2x here. See, okay, so 4 times cos cube 2x minus 3 times cos 2x, right? So which is equal to 4 times, we can write this as cos 2x the whole cube, and this as it is we will write it for now. Okay, so 4 times cos 2x the whole cube minus 3 times cos 2x. Okay, so that is equal to 4 times cos 2x the whole cube we have. So now what we will write? Cos 2x. Now you look at the right hand side that we want to get. Okay, we have what? Here we have cos terms only. Okay, only cos terms are there, you can see that, right? So we have to write this as a formula in terms of cos only, right? So cos 2a, you know that it is equal to 2 times cos square a minus 1, right? 2 cos square a minus 1, this is the formula. So you will get 2 times cos square 2x, right? Cos square 2x. Here a is, sorry 2 times cos square x, okay, minus 1 the whole cube, right? Minus 3 times, again we will use the same formula, right? 3 times this, 2 times cos square x minus 1. Okay, so that is equal to what? 4 times, this is what? 2 cos square x minus 1 the whole cube. Now you have to know the formula for a minus b the whole cube, right? So that is a cube minus 3a, right, b, sorry, minus 3a square b, right, minus 3a square b plus 3a b square, okay, minus b cube. Okay, that is the formula. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square minus b cube. Then minus, what we will get here, 6 times cos square x. When you will multiply 3 to this, 2 cos square x, minus 6 times cos square x plus 3, right? Okay, now if we simplify this, so 4 times 2 cube is 8 cos of, or cos raised to 6x, right, minus 3 multiplied by, what is this, 2 square is 4 cos raised to 4x, right, and then plus, what will be this, 3 multiplied by 2 is 6 cos square x, right, minus 1, and minus 6 cos square x plus 3, right. Okay, now just we have to simplify this. So 4 times 8 is 32 cos 6x, right, minus 4 times 3 is 12, 12 times 4 is 48, so 48 cos raised to 4x, okay, plus 6 or 4 times 6 is 24 cos square x, okay, then minus 4, right, okay, then this is minus 6 cos square x plus 3, okay. So now you see that you have 32 cos raised to 6x, then minus 48 cos raised to 4x, then here you have plus 24 cos square x minus 6 cos square x, that is plus 18 cos square x, okay, and minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1, right. So this is nothing but the RHS, so therefore LHS is equal to the RHS, so hence proved, okay. So that was the 25th problem, okay. So that's it in the video, guys. If you have liked my video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.